everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 790 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Gel. And I am really excited to try this out because I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow products and I have not tried out this Dipbrow Gel yet. But I love brow gels, I love filling in my brows, and this product sounds so cool because it's a gel that's also supposed to fill in your brows, make them look full, because it's also supposed to put color onto the skin as well, as if it's like a pencil and a gel mixed in one. So I'm really intrigued by that to see if it actually works. I do have a little sample size here, but the full-size version retails for $18, which, depending on how this performs, I feel like that's a pretty fair price if it is your gel and pencil in one type of thing. So let's check it out. So you can see the little brush on this. It's kind of like a cone shape where it's narrower at the top. This little brush shape is the same as the full-size version, which I'm glad about because the shape of this brush is what's supposed to make this a unique product so that you can actually apply it into the right shape that you want. But what also is really cool about this is that it comes in 11 shades. 11 shades for a brow product I feel like is pretty good. I have this in the shade Taupe, which has been a really good match for me in the Anastasia brow products. But so I'm gonna start out by, we'll go ahead and brush this through my brows. So there's one quick brush, not too noticeable. I feel like it's coating all of the brow hairs, but it's not really filling in sparse areas. And that's where it says to use the tip of the applicator, where it's a little bit more pointy, to apply the product to the skin and then blend it through. It's not really working as easily as I would have hoped. Like, it definitely does a good job of filling in the brows where I have hairs because it coats them, kind of makes them more volumized and fuller, but I'm trying to get the product where I don't have the hairs. I mean, that is a really nice difference. It definitely gives more of a natural brow look. Like, it doesn't look like a precisely, perfectly shaped brow, but maybe that's where the brow trend is going. And some people already have perfectly shaped brows and they just want to set them, give them a little bit more color. So I like that, but I think I personally would still want to use a pencil to fill in the sparse areas a little bit. But that was very quick and easy to get a nice looking brow. It's just, I am so particular about my brows now that I always need them to be filled in and I always need them to be my desired shape. So let's try again on this brow. So it's a nice brush, it gets all the hairs, so I can definitely get all of my brow hairs going in the same direction, tame those long unruly brow hairs. And then trying to fill in a little bit onto my skin with the product. It's kind of prickly too when I try and like draw it onto my skin. So that's why I would probably rather just use a pencil. But this really does get the brows, I would say, like 80–90% of the way done. I'm just going to touch them up a little bit with a pencil, but I'm curious to test the hold on this Yes, it has really good, strong hold, and that's what I want in my brow gel, but that doesn't feel like crusty, isn't crumbling, so it's a flexible, strong hold. So I think this is a really good brow gel, and it really does. You can see that's a drastic difference of how full, and it sounds weird saying volumized for my brows, but really it did like volumize the hairs so that it looks like full of natural brow hairs. Like, let me get zoomed in so that you can see that texture. I love how it just looks natural. It looks like my natural brows. And I love the shade Taupe for my hair color. But so I could just wear my brows like this, and maybe I should get used to more of a natural brow look and start weaning myself off of having to always draw in precise brows. But really all I want to do is just fill in a little bit the front with a pencil, a little bit of sparse areas in the tail, but that's all I would do to fill it in, because this product, like I said, gets it almost completely done. Just me being a little bit of a perfectionist with my brows. Just add a little bit with my pencil, which this is the Most Story brow pencil that I love. I use this all the time. I did a dedicated review video on this brow pencil, which I will have linked in the description down below. But if you are lucky enough to not have any sparse areas and have that great brow shape, then the Anastasia Dipbrow Gel is the perfect one product to use. So I just love having a bold brow. I absolutely love the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. That's another product that I did a review video on that I can have linked in the description down below. So I was hoping that I would love the Dipbrow Gel just as much, and this did not disappoint me. As far as brow gels go, this is awesome. I was just a little bit misled when I read the description that this would also kind of do the job of the pencil, but if I think about this as just a brow gel, then I love it. It's got great color, it's a great formula, has great hold, so I'm really happy about this. This is a product that I would purchase in the full size because I love my brow gels, and this is up to my standards. I would love to hear in the comments down below what your favorite brow gels are. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.